Hello, good morning. Today I start new topic in nervous system. Topic is limbic system. So limbic system is very large topic. I try to divide it into 7 or 8 segments. So limbic system is a complex network of cortical area and subcortical structure. Limbic system is a complex network of cortical area and subcortical structures in our nervous system. Limbic system is interconnected by bidirectional pathway. Limbic system is a complex network of cortical area and subcortical structure which is interconnected by bidirectional pathways. This system includes major limbic centers, connecting pathway, functional area of the limbic system, the cingulate motor area, parahippocampal gyrus, septal area, orbitofrontal cortex and prefrontal cortex, amygdala, the hippocampal formation, dentate gyrus, efferent connection of hippocampus, function of hippocampus, connecting pathway of the limbic system, functions and relations of fornix, stria terminalis, stria medullaris thalami, medial forebrain bundle, mammillothalamic tract, cingulum. These are the main topic which describe under heading limbic system. Without proper knowledge, we are unable to understand the disease, why it occurs, especially related to neurological disorders, and report of the MRI or CT scan which is prepared by the sonologist. Without proper knowledge, we are unable to correlate the diagnosis, prognosis and management of the case. So I try to explain about the limbic system in different headings. So in anatomy, limbic system is the complex network of cortical area and subcortical structures which is interconnected by bidirectional pathway. Bidirectional pathway means incoming and outgoing, that is bidirectional pathway. Major limbic centers includes the cortical areas, cingulate gyrus, orbitofrontal, insular and medial prefrontal cortices and parahippocampal gyrus. Subcortical structures include the thalamus, septal area, nucleus accumbens, hippocampus, hypothalamus and the amygdala. So according to definition of limbic system is a complex network of the cortical areas and subcortical structures. So these cortical areas and subcortical structures comes under major limbic centers, includes the cortical area and subcortical structures. So cortical areas contains cingulate gyrus, orbitofrontal, insular and medial prefrontal cortices and parahippocampal gyrus. These all structures visible externally when we see the cerebrum, which is part of the brain or external feature or morphology of human brain. Subcortical structures include thalamus, septal area, nucleus accumbens, hippocampus, hypothalamus and the amygdala. Next is connecting pathway of limbic system. Connecting pathway of limbic system. The alveus, the fimbria, the fornix, the mammillothalamic tract and the stria terminalis. Connecting pathway of limbic system is alveus, fimbria, fornix, mammillothalamic tract and the stria. So these are the connecting pathway of the limbic system. Cortex is appear externally or outer margin or outer surface of the cerebrum. Prefrontal cortex or working memory is situated in frontal region. Septal nuclei or short-term memory is present in deep of the frontal lobe of the brain, just above the temporal lobe. Mammillary body is present in central part of the cerebrum. Amygdala is present or situated just above the temporal lobe. Anterior and dorsomedial thalamic nuclei is present in central part of the brain. Functions of the limbic system. Functions of the limbic system. The limbic system is involved with the many of the expressions that make us human, namely emotions, behavior and a state of feeling. Emotions, behavior and a state of feeling, these three characters present in human on this earth. It also associated with memory, especially the hippocampus. Hippocampus is associated with the memory. Limbic system also associated with pleasure and rage. The limbic system via the hypothalamus. The limbic system via the hypothalamus is able to influence any aspect of emotional behavior. Limbic system, the via hypothalamus, is able to influence many aspects of emotional behavior. These includes particularly the reactions of fear and anger, and the emotions associated with sexual behavior. There is no evidence that the limbic system has an olfactory function. The various efferent and efferent connections of the limbic system provide pathway for the integration and effective homeostatic responses to a wide variety of the environmental stimuli. So, these are the functions of the limbic system. In next video, we study about the cingulate motor area. Thank you. You like, subscribe and share this video. This is useful for all medical faculties, MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, physiotherapy, nursing and other paramedical courses. Thank you.